This is crazy. A full fashion blog with SEO done, layouts in place, images added, headlines, infographics, and all of this was generated in under 3 minutes. No writing, no formatting, and no staring at the blank screen. Autoblogging.ai is changing how content is created, and if you're in a fashion blogging or a content marketing, this is the tool that's going to speed up your workflow like nothing else. Let me walk you through how I did this. So once you log in into Autoblogging.ai, and your left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because it is a step-by-step setup. So you just go through it once and Autoblogging builds your blog for you. For article title, I'm going to type must have closet essential in 2025. Now this tells the AI to focus on wardrobe basics. Next, for the language, I'm going to select English, but you can pick from 30 languages depending where your audience is from. Just choose it from the drop down. For the article length, I'm going to choose medium because it gives you enough room to highlight key clothing pieces and explains why they matter. But here's a quick tip. Short is for a quick tip or a style blurbs or mini lookbooks, and long is like a deep dive styling guides. So medium. For the article type, I'm going to choose listicle because this blog is a list of must-have items. But here's what other article types do. Informative is it writes structured educational style blog. Places focus on location-specific content like stores in a particular city, and service bar landing page builds a landing page good for a fashion stylist or a boutique service. Listicle. Point of view, I'm going to choose second person here because the blog will directly talk to the readers. But here's what others do. First person is like a more personal blog, and third person is more neutral and formal. For the style, I'm going to go with conversational because fashion blogs are usually fun and easy to read. But here's other options that you can choose. Auto lets AI decide what tone fits the best. Less AI words makes it sound more human-like and less robotic. Premium Style 1 focuses more on SEO formatting. Snippet Optimizer helps your blog show up in Google answer boxes. Witty makes it clean and polished. And professional is for B2B. Now I'm going to turn on all the 4 boxes here. Intense Optimize article. It improves blog structure and keyword clarity. Add FAQs includes real questions people ask in Google. Add AI images will add visuals for items like coat, jeans or bags with alt text included. Add infographics will add a quick visuals like 2025 wardrobe checklist or a top 5 closet staple. SERP Analysis. Now this is a crazy feature. This tells Autoblogging to check what's already ranking on Google for this kind of a topic. It looks at the layout of those blogs, how they are structured, and then builds your blog using a similar format, but with original content. So you're not starting from scratch, you're just following what's already working on Google. I'm just going to enable this, and in the source context box, you can write how you want your article to be. You can also select the location where you need your article to rank first. I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes here. Outline from competition matches structure of blogs that's already ranking. External link will add links to helpful sources like fashion brands or trend sites. YouTube video will embed a relevant fashion video inside your blog. And key takeaways will add a summary at the end of your blog. AI proofreading. I'm just going to turn this on, and so this gives your blog a final polish basically. So I can just leave a quick note here saying that make sure it reads smooth and clean. So AI will then do its job. Internal linking. Now if you already have written other fashion blogs, just enable this and paste your domain here, and automatically connect this article to those. It is great for SEO and it keeps readers on your site for longer. Human proofreading, it's totally optional, but want a real editor to check the tone, facts, or clean it further, just enable this and quickly leave a note. Let's say, keep the tone trendy but clear, or double check 2025 item names. So for this, you will need a human credit, which you can always buy from your dashboard. Now generate article. Click on the history tab. Scroll down and click on the view icon here. The blog is literally ready to publish with good headlines, with infographics, with images, and even FAQs added at the end of your blog, and even the YouTube video. But here's a quick tip for the next time. If you already know your setting, you can always go to quick and single, and it basically skips all the steps like wizard, and it's just faster with fewer clicks. And if you want to generate 10, 20, or even 100 articles at once, you can always use our bulk generate option. It is good for client agencies or brand calendars, and you can also auto post them to WordPress. If you're writing style blogs or fashion content, Autoblogging.ai will save you hours. And if you're managing content for a brand and don't want to touch the blog at all, we also do a done for you blog service where we'll write, format it, and hand it over to you. Like this walkthrough, then hit a like, subscribe, and drop your next fashion topic in the comment.